All right, so now all the best, Mole, for the introduction round. Over to you.
Good day all. Once we decide we have to do something, we can go miles ahead. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity of in this program. My name is Aparnika M.A. I am from Trivandrum. I am 8 years old and a third standard student at CSI WS Center School, Karakonam. I come from a loving family of 6. My mother, father, grandpa, grandma, sister and me. Family means the world to me. My ambition is to become a scientist. I love learning new things and making new friends. I am passionate about dancing, acting and modeling. My favorite movie is Kilukam. My favorite place is Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple. My favorite color is black. I love traveling very much, but I don't like traveling in the bus. Sundargudi is the best platform to show my talent, which is why I am excited to participate in this program. Thank you for listening me.